familiar, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Hey, we going with a rotisserie chicken. Now I do have me an onion that I had left over, so we gonna use half a yellow onion. Got some parsley, a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese, a little bit of garlic, some Sazon. Now instead of using the green chilies, you can use those. I'm going with some diced jalapeños. We got some flour tortillas, and then we got some crema, Mexican style cream. We're going with the green chili enchilada sauce, and then we got some Cotija cheese. Hey, let's get in the game, fam. Easy recipe. As you can see here, hey, I use this onion on another recipe. We don't let nothing go to waste in this kitchen, and with the price of everything, hey, you gotta use every ingredient that you have. So we're just gonna get this diced. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shred this rotisserie chicken. You can go the easy route if you like, just cut it up and then debone it, put it in the bowl and get your mixer, and then you'll shred it up nice and easy. But I'm just gonna do a little bit of work on this, and we'll still be in the game. So now I got all my chicken deboned from that rotisserie, and one of the reasons why I like to use rotisserie is because you're gonna have some nice tender cooked meat. Now we're gonna season this up too. Now let me show you something real quick. Now you see all of this chicken skin right here that I'm not gonna use. Now what you can do, and what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna fry this up, and it's gonna be a nice chicken skin snack. You in the game. Now I got my Monterey Jack cheese. I'm probably gonna use about half of this. And let me tell you, we're gonna top those enchiladas off with this cheese and let it melt. Now we're gonna use the Cotija cheese too. Now we're gonna use that in the inside. So it's just gonna be a flavor explosion, fam. Now we got a pan with a little bit of butter. Then we're gonna place that onion, and we're gonna let this render down a little bit. Hey, we've been going for a couple of minutes. Now it's time to get this garlic in this pan and make your house smell absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna add in our chicken. And remember, this is rotisserie chicken from last night, so it's still chill. So we just wanna heat this up. I put a little bit of that Sazon on it, and we're gonna work those flavors in. And that was about a half a packet. And then what we want to do is add the rest of it in over this chicken. And at this time, remove or turn off your heat. And we don't want to dry this chicken out. We still want this to be absolutely delicious and juicy, and have that chicken be nice and tender. You can use taco seasoning if you like. Use the seasoning of your choice. I just like the flavor profile of the Sazon. Again, we removed this from the heat. Now I did have those pickled jalapeños. Like I said, instead of green chilies, I'm gonna use these jalapeños to give it a little kick. If you want the green chilies, hey fam, hey, do you go in with them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use about half a can of this. So it'll be about 6 ounces. This is a 12-ounce can, and not really trying to get any juice in, just get them drained, and we'll get everything mixed in. Yes, sir. Now we got a little bit of cooking oil. What we wanna do is we want to cook these tortilla shells until they start blistering. You want to cook these so they don't become soggy when you place all your ingredients in, and then they'll be pliable so you can wrap these and they don't break on you. So you don't want to go too long. So just like that. And then just sit them on a paper plate lined with paper towels, and you'll be in the game, fam. So we Hey, I got my green chili sauce. What I want to do is I want to take a little bit and I'm going to place it in the bottom of my 9x13 pan. Now it's time to assemble these chicken enchiladas. So I'm going in with my chicken. Like so. Hey, then I got me some Cotija Cheese. And then we just want to fold and wrap these. And then we'll place them in our pan like so. And then we'll finish the rest of these and we'll be in the game. Now we got these filled. And what we need to do now is we need to place some additional sauce on top. And next we got our Monterey Jack. Hey, we gonna put this on top. And we got our oven preheated to 375 degrees. And we're gonna cook these until this cheese is nice and melted. And we're gonna be in the absolute game. The coach got you in the game, easy recipe. And then you already know what we got to do after that. Hey, we got to get these a taste test. All right, coming out the oven, 15 minutes. Hey, yes sir. Now check that out, fam. We got our chicken enchiladas with our verde sauce. And then we got some crema on top. Hey, yes sir. Now what we got to do, hey, get us a slice of it. And then get us a taste test. But hey, take a look at that right there. Hey, cheers, fam. We in the game. Now let me tell you, it's absolutely delicious, fam. Now, if you're new to my channel, hey, let me take the time out to you. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Cooking with Main Focus. If you like this content, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you get the notifications as well. Now, for my Focus fam, hey, you already know the coach is about to get back in the game, call some plays, and I'm about to smash into these chicken enchiladas with that green verde sauce. We'll see you guys on the next recipe. Win the game.